How to fix the memory could not be written error. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the memory could not be written error on your Windows PC. This is a common issue and I'll guide you through some easy fixes to get your system back to normal, so let's get started. The first and easiest step is to restart your computer. Sometimes a simple restart can clear up temporary memory issues and fix errors like this one. So simply restart your computer. Now let's run a system file check. Open command prompt as an administrator by typing cmd in the start menu and tap as run as administrator. Now in the command prompt window, type the following command and press enter, that is sfc /scan now, and wait for the process to complete. This will scan your system for any corrupt system files and fix them. Once the scan is finished, restart your PC and check if the error persists. Now let's run the memory diagnostic tool. On the start menu, simply type Windows Memory Diagnostic and just select Windows Memory Diagnostic from the results. Click Restart Now and check for problems. Your PC will restart and run a diagnostic test. Once the test completes, Windows will show any memory issues. Now our last step is to update or reinstall drivers. Simply right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Look for the display adapter sections and simply expand it. Right-click on your graphic card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for updated driver software and follow the on-screen instruction. And that's it. These are some of the best ways to simply fix the memory could not be written error on your Windows PC.